Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do a problem about unit rates. Company, this is problem number 30. So thank you for the students that wanted this video. It's a good one. So here we go. Here are the different companies. Let's move you down a little bit. Here are the 4 different companies. They gave you the prices of them and the number of minutes. This is maybe like a phone company. Of the number of minutes you get and the price. Those seem pretty darn expensive. So we're looking at which one is cheapest per minute. So here we go. I set up each of their ratios. Here's A, B, and C, Verizon, Chinguling, and DW West. And I said for each one, let's take the rate that we were given, and let's not see how much it costs for 100 minutes. Let's see how much it costs for 1 minute. So that's what I did for each of these. For this one, for the first one, I did just kind of a trick, moving the decimal trick. If I divided something by 10, I moved the decimal place once. So dividing it by 100 would move it twice. So that's how I got a little bit more than 19 cents. So I rounded it up to 20 cents. For here, this one was a little bit trickier. Dividing 24 and 95 cents by 150 minutes to get that unit rate. So I just did the division over here. So if you want to take a look at this, pause the video, take a look at what I did. I left the decimal where it was, and then just said how many times does 150 go into 249. And I said once, and then did the subtraction and got about 17 cents. So that's what I did there. For the green one here, for Chinguling Wireless, divided both of them by 60 to find out how much in 1 minute. So that was the kind of key, using the giant one to find out how much per minute. And then when I did that, I went ahead and rounded it. I got that this one was a little bit less, and now let's see. So Chinguling might be a little bit less than Verizon. But left the last one. Let's do the last one together. So I know that it's $14, and I already have a feeling that this is going to be the cheapest one at about 15 cents a minute. But let's do it. So if I take $14.75 in 100 minutes, so it cost me that much money in 100 minutes. Let's divide both by 100 to find out how much for 1 minute. That's the key. How much for 1 minute? We're finding the unit rate. How much does it cost for 1 minute? I'm moving the decimal twice, dividing by 100. Move it once, move it twice. And we get 1,475 10,000ths of $1, which is, you know what, that's darn close enough to 15 cents. So found all the unit rates. And then now that I had them, I was able to say that this one, DW West, is has the lowest unit rate per minute.